Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the static HV SMG in Call of Duty, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys have to do is go over to the weapons tab. From here click on whatever loadout you want to change, go over to SMGs and you want to click on static HV, and if you'll notice it says complete 5 daily challenges to unlock static HV, and how many you have completed. If you want to activate this, go ahead and click R. Once the armory unlock has been activated, you can go ahead and see that these are the daily challenges. You'll notice you'll only get 3. However, if you win, like let's just say you're playing like a free for all or a team deathmatch in multiplayer, if you win that, it counts as a daily challenge as well. So I recommend trying to unlock this in multiplayer rather than Warzone, because Warzone it is gonna be a little bit harder. You don't have to win, but play and survive. But anyways, like multiplayer is obviously gonna be much easier. And yeah, once you do that, you should be good to go, and you are all set. And now you have unlocked the static HV. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.